The other day, I drove my daughter to her little homeschool group, and I saw several amazing trees, but these two caught my eye, and specifically the one with the moss all over the trunk, and just how bright and beautiful the colors were, the blossoms. And I just thought, gosh, I want to make something like that. And so I got all of these sagebrush armatures ready. And I want to make a real full tree. And so I'm going to take some time to go through and decide which one of these will be the foundation and which one will be sacrificed to make the rest of the tree that I want, so that I can make a tree like the one you saw. So stick around. Let's see if I can do it. All right. Well, thanks for following me and watching another video. Please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so that you can see all the new ones coming up. As I looked at all of these different armatures that I have here, I feel like I need something with a good solid trunk to look like that tree that I want to make, or that I want to mimic. And this one, I like the look of that. I've seen a lot of trees in orchards around that are cut in such a way that they'll be low hanging, easy to get a hold of. So I want to save that one for one of those types of trees. So that's not going to be the one for today. This one, that might have the main structure the way I want it. I might even be able to do a smaller one just with that section there. And like I say, I want to make it really full, so I'm going to take a lot of these other pieces, cut them off, and apply them to this one so that we can get that look that I'm going for. And then I'm probably going to use the hobby tack on this one, so I'll take my time. So let's see what we can do to add to it. I feel like I need some more branching out here, and that might be the way to do that right there. Put that in there, and then just a lot of other branches in there. And I will use a combination here of the glue gun, the hot glue, and the hobby tack, because I do feel like there's a place for the hobby tack, but the hot glue is so quickly permanent, it's hard to beat. I feel like there are just a lot of branches coming up out of that tree. And so I need a lot more inserted into there. Okay, so I've added quite a bit to this tree. I was going to say I'm about ready to add the foliage on there, but I think I need more upward branches right here on this one. So we'll go ahead and see if we can improve that a bit. Get that. I have to say I still really like the hot glue. And maybe it's because I don't have to plan ahead a whole lot. But it's just nice to be able to look at it and say, yeah, I think that would look good there, and just put it on. And have it take. All right, so there's the tree I'm going for. There's the tree I have. I even have that low branch. Notice that? I like that. And I think this side will get all of the green moss on it. So I will apply that. I'll probably apply that after I get all of the blossoms on. So we need to get to doing some blossoms. And honestly, I think the best option for this is going to be a spray glue, because I don't want to try and paint all of those branches, and as you can see, those blossoms need to be all over all of those branches. So I am going to take this outside where I don't have to worry about all of the toxic fumes, and we're going to spray, spray, and spray and get that covered. Alright, it's a nice windy day, so we'll see how this goes. Got a little spray glue left here, so we're going to start with that. And then we'll switch it up with the Rust-Oleum Clear Matte Spray. Try and remember to spray when the wind's blowing. So it blows that away. I'm going to get carried away on this one a little bit. I've got everything sticking to it that I don't want to. I want to do roots coming out of the ground, as you see there, and I want to do that green moss on it. And I think this might be a prime place to use the hobby tack. And so that's what I'm going to do. I am going to try and not get it all over my fingers. And see if we can just put a little bit of hobby tack on there. And see if we can get the look I'm going for. With that moss. And what I'm trying to do is get it so that it's not, I don't want it everywhere if I can make it work. And I should let this dry, I know. But I want to go take some pictures of this, so we're going to try putting this on right now and see if we can get it in just some parts and not everywhere. And now that I'm doing this, I realize I'm going to have to let it dry to take the pictures anyway, because I don't want the white on there. Alright, so we'll sprinkle that on, and then I'll take a stick and we'll try and remove it from some areas.